Hello everyone, this is Garima Garg and today I'll be talking about the study material about naturopathy or the medical subjects related to the BNYS. So how you can get that if you are not getting any book on the bookstore or if you are not getting it online. So there are some sources from where you can get the books. So the first source is the PDF drive. You can just type it on Google and you will be there on their website and you can download it from there free of cost, and you can see the preview before you download. It's an absolutely free of cost platform and I had personally downloaded many books from there, and there is no issue in that. So the second source is about Google Classroom. So it's a group of students across the states. So they share the research material or the books or the various study material notes or everything about BNYS, whether it's about the medical or specifically related to the naturopathy. So there you will get a number of books or the number of notes or the everything you need to study. So it's an amazing platform. You can be a member of it and it's also absolutely free of cost. And the third option is Library Genesis. So it's an online library. You can just type it on Google, Library Genesis, and you will be on an online library of the books. You will get there a multiple number of books. It's almost in millions, so you can download it from there. They had also shorted it in the by the name of the author or the publication year, so you can easily get the book from there too. So the next option is you just ask from the seniors. It's not about your college seniors, any of your senior or your fellow mates across the states, like whoever is doing the BNYS, or whether he's in first year or she's in second year, anywhere he is, you can just ask them. If they have it, they can share the books with you. You can ask to any professor, anyone. You can just mail them or you just can text them, so they'll share if they have. Because I had done this thing when I did not get any book. I just write it to anyone I know, whether it's on Facebook, on WhatsApp or anyone else, and they had helped me in getting the books. They had mailed me, or so you can try the same, or you can ask to your college senior. So it's also a very good thing. Otherwise, PDF drive, Library Genesis, and the Google Classroom is all the thing you need. Other than that, you need not everything to collect any book. You just need to read them. So thank you for this video. If you have any question related to the books or anything, you can type me in the comment box, and thank you for watching.